different place in the path of the water. Okay, so we are going to start with a flat plate. You can just check it in the menu. We have 3 different plates. Number 1 is flat plate, in which the water is going to strike at 90 degrees. The other one is 120 and the last one is 180. It's a hemisphere. So what you guys have to do is first you have to attach your plate. Make sure not to attach it too tight, otherwise it won't come out. Then you have to assemble this whole thing. So now how to check that whether this whole system is in balance or not? This over here is the weight span, and if the pointer is around the white circle, it gets to see this white circle over here, it means that the whole system is in balance. So you just have to screw this. Alright, so now we can see that the system is in balance, and then we have to apply the weight. This over here is called the weight span, and when I'm going to put the weight on it, you guys can see that the system become in balance. So now what you have to do is, you have to regulate the water counterclockwise to increase the flow and clockwise to decrease, and you have to regulate the water until it becomes back in balance. So just let me know when it is balanced. You guys can see, now it's in balance. So when the system is again in balance, can anyone just start a stopwatch in their phone? Alright, so when I'm going to put this glass in the tank, you have to start it, and when it's full, you have to stop it. So you can just come here. 1, 2, 3. You have to start from the fridge. The volume of the water is going to remain same throughout the experiment. It's going to be 1 liter. So you just have to write 111 throughout the experiment, and then you have to take 3 time readings for 1 mass. You have to keep gradually increase the mass until 450, and then you have to change the plate from 90 to 120, and then repeat the same process with 1 reading. So you have to take 3 time reading in order to minimize the error. Maybe I put in the fast rate, or maybe you just started the watch with it. So in order to minimize that error, you have to take 3 times. The one I've already done, so you can just write this reading over here, 6.5. Now you have to take 2 more readings for 50, and then you have to keep increasing the mass until 450, and then we will change the plate and repeat the whole thing.